friends. Sorry if you hear the fan in the background, but it is hot in my shop today. If I don't open the doors early on and do woodworking early in the morning, it gets extremely hot. No AC, no insulation except for the garage door itself. But anyway, my plans today is to fix this mount for my friend. The wood is rotten, probably mold growing on it. You name it.
It's a better shape. It may actually have been repaired before.
In case you guys are wondering, this is just a cheap extractor kit that I got from Sears when they were actually open. That used to be my favorite store to go to. Now, let's get to the next part.
One thing is going to scratch up my outfeed table. I can't get the last screw out right now, so take these apart. Take these to the side. This is how bad a shape this is in. I mean, it's just horrible, horrible. Will I reuse this broken screw, stripped out screw? Yes, I probably will. I'm not buying new screws to put in something I'm not getting paid for. Yeah, this has got deck boarding on there. Stick the resin on here in the floor to break this apart.
Termites all in there, and I've got this in my wood shop. I gotta get this out of here ASAP. Guys, I think I'm just gonna do it quick and simple. I'm not gonna pre-drill crap. I'm just gonna put this thing together. And I'll use number 9, 3 inches. I use 3 screws on each side of that. The seat mounts right here. Just like that. It does rotate. But as you can see, it's seen better days. But it'll get a little more use. A little bit more use. There's bugs right there. Looks like termites. anyways, guys, that's it on this little DIY project. Scrap wood, pressure treated, plywood is not. So this will get my buddy by for a little while. I've still got to mount it in the boat, and that's where these were initially mounted to the fiberglass, but the fiberglass is weak in that area. I repaired places that you walk, but this spot is not good. There's some other plans I have. I've got a kit I bought for my kayaks when I was customizing them. I got some anchors that will spread out underneath the plywood when you screw in a screw or a bolt. So I'm gonna try that. If it doesn't work, I guess we'll have to reinforce that plywood. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm sorry again if you've heard the fan in the background. I don't have insulation, as I mentioned, and this shop gets a lot of sunlight in the day, beating right down on top of it. But until next time, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos. As you all know, I don't edit much, but if I get enough subscribers and more comments, suggestions, telling me what to do, what not to do, I may edit more, but for now, this is the best you get. Clint Hurd at his finest. But thanks for watching. God bless you.